My 5-year-old has this scx24. He really likes that one, but we had a chance to get a different body for it and picked up this bug that was 3D printed. Now, as you can see, I've put some epoxy in there. Now, I don't know if it's necessary. That's what it would look unprepared or unepoxied. I don't know if it's necessary, but me, I like to always go above and beyond and try to make my stuff last a little longer. So what we're going to do here is show you I got some JB Weld is the brand, and it's just clear weld, professional grade, quick setting epoxy. Obviously 2 parts, and we're going to mix some up here. And I don't take the time to use a sheet or piece of whatever cardboard. I'm just gonna dab some in here and take the other part and put about the same equal amounts in there ish. Then I just have a Allen wrench here, and I'm just gonna mix it up here. What I want to do is mix it, and then I'm gonna start spreading it while I mix. Nothing special, nothing fancy here. Again, I don't know if it's necessary, but I want to try to make it last as long as I can, right? So we're gonna go up in the doors up here, just kind of move it around. Now I'm gonna clean that off, and then I'll use the other end to kind of really move it, scoop it up and kind of move it around here. Get it back in the rear wheel wells here. And we're going to put some up here on the fastback part. Alright. Oh, missed a spot here. Alright, so we've got that mixed in there. Again, I don't really know that this is necessary. It's just what I'm doing to try and prolong my ability to use this. We're hard on stuff. We're hard on our RC cars, so anything to give it a little more stability, I can't imagine that would hurt. So I also barely used any of that JB Weld epoxy, so that's these two together. I think they're about 15 bucks. So for a little bit of peace of mind here, we didn't spend too much money. We're going to let that set, and then we'll do the hood for the last final piece.